Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to link Sweat wallet to Sweatcoin. So the process is very simple, but first you need to make sure that you have these two applications. The first is of Sweatcoin and the second one is of Sweat wallet. Now once you have these, you first need to tap on the Sweatcoin application first, and then you just have to log in into your account. Now over here, you need to tap on the balance option in the top right hand corner of the screen, and then you will be landed on this balance page. Now over here, you need to tap on the option that says you are working for crypto, and after tapping on it, you will be able to see this type of pop-up in front of you. Here you need to tap on open Sweat wallet option, and then you will be redirect in your Sweat wallet application. Here you will be able to see the login option, but as you want to link Sweatcoin with our Sweat wallet account, you need to tap on the first login option that says login with Sweatcoin. So after tapping on it, it will ask you to approve your login. So you need to tap on approve login option, and then you just have to wait for some time until it is setting up your Sweat wallet account. So once this step is done, you need to tap on the let's start button in the bottom, then press next, and after that you need to tap on open your wallet. Now once you do this, you will be able to see that you are now in your Sweat wallet app. So basically you have successfully linked or connected your Sweat wallet with your Sweatcoin account. So I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.